Sabaidi Pinong, hello fam. Today we're whipping up a delightful Lao jelly called Vun using dragon fruit for a burst of flavor and stunning appearance. Don't toss those leftover dragon fruit peels, set them aside for later as that's going to be very useful for its color. Now with the dragon fruit that's peeled, let's go ahead and put it on a cutting board and then cut it right in half. In which each half you're going to cut it horizontally and then vertically. And with this type of cut, you'll be able to make it into small square cubes. And let's go ahead and put all of this into a bowl. With the passion fruit, cut it in half. And then with the seeds and filling inside, go ahead and strain it out. And you want to get all the juices out. And you can go ahead and toss the seeds that are left over. Place the juice to the side, and let's get the mixture ready. In a medium pot, combine water, the dragon fruit peels, some lemongrass slices, and then give it a good stir and bring it to a rolling boil. And let it boil for about 5 minutes to get all that color and flavor out. And go ahead and strain out the big pieces. And then you can go ahead and add the passion fruit juice, the agar powder, and then mix well. And you want to cook this on a low simmer until everything is melted. Go ahead and put the mixture into a large glass pan. And now you can get the dragon fruit pieces and sprinkle around sporadically throughout this mixture. And some will start floating. And I like to add some color, so go ahead and add 1 or 2 drops of pink. And mix well. It should solidify in about 30 minutes. And then let's go ahead and flip it over. And the full vun will come out. And then you go ahead and cut it directly across. And then you can cut it diagonally. And then each piece should be in about large square pieces. And it'll come out beautifully just like this. I love having the dragon fruit pieces right on top floating in this like jelly like dessert. And you're gonna have a lot, so I would just suggest putting it in the fridge and it can stay good for about a week. And that is essentially how you make vun. What other vun flavors do you enjoy? And feel free to suggest what dish you'd like to see me cook next.
Mmm. 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 Oh.